Hello, hi guys. Today we will discuss about API testing. So usually what HTTP methods will do. So we will learn. See here. So I have created one Word document. So HTTP methods, what they do usually, what they do usually. Okay. Okay. First one, get method. What get method will do? It retrieve information. Retrieve information. So it returns the information. So what post will do? So creates new record or resource. So by using post only, right? With the payload, we are going to create a resource. Okay. Put what put will do? It updates the existing resource. So delete will do. It will delete the API. So deletes the existing resource. Head normally we will never use, but we will use very like not frequently we will use. So it will retrieve resources headers. Okay. See HTTP methods, what they do usually: get method, post method, put method, delete method, head method. I hope this is very useful information, guys. Sorry.